guys! Welcome to my vlog. Oh my God! Yung goal daw nila sa buhay guys kung bakit nila ako binigyan or nilagyan ng earphone sa tenga para magingay-ingay at manakot-nakot sa akin dahil mamamatay na daw ako kaya kikidnapin daw ako paglabas ko ng airport. Kapag nasa airport daw ako, malalaglag daw ako sa puwet nila. Ha? Oh my God, I'm so scared. I'm so very scared na. Yes, oh my goodness. Nakita niyo yung mata ko na ganyan. I'm so scared. I feel more nervous na, madam. Oh, kinakabahan ka ba? Based on your, make a cybercrime, bullying, whatever, harassment, or, what do you call that? All kind of crime, poisoning. You have a crime, yes, and you're panic. Yeah, you feel panic na. Yeah, you don't know how you can hide yourself. You know what? You need to, walk under the manhole. Yeah, you need to walk there under the hole. And then, if you want to travel, just hide there, okay? And if you think that you can make me scared because of that mamak done in my life in how many years? Hello. Wake up. Maybe you have nightmares. Yeah, bad nightmares. Yes. Oh, keep praying and die, badiday, ngik-ngik, nenok, ngik-ngik-nek-nok mo, nang kanek-nek-nek-nekan mo, nang nenok-nenoken mo, nenoken mo ang sarili mo, okay? I'm not scared for your own packing shit noise to my ears. And if you don't mind, baby, ice baby, angel baby, you cannot make me scared now. Since I'm young, I'll never feel scared or panic. If you feel panic, just, be selfish. Go ahead. Do what you want in life, okay? I'm a blogger, and wherever I go, I will walk straight. And don't ever attempt to make trouble to me, or else you're gonna be more embarrassed in public. Do you understand? It's English. If you want, you can hire translator. Maybe it's help to you, okay? By the way, bye. Have a nice day to all of you guys. And it's evening time in Denmark soon. Yeah. If you want to sleep, much better to sleep instead of making noise to my ears, okay? By the way, bye. Bye for now, and see you to the next video. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Bye.